As a senior in high school, I didn't know what I wanted to do, and I didn't know where I was supposed to go. I didn't know what I was being called to do. After I came here and figured out what drafting was, I was just like, I knew, like immediately. I was like, this is where I'm supposed to be. You can still use a lot of creativity with this, and the options are really broad when you graduate because you can use drafting to design anything. So I love the Tiger Apprenticeship because the Tiger Apprenticeship gives you an opportunity to get a career and get a job before you've even graduated. And the possibility of getting a job that teaches me and trains me in what I'm learning in school really excited me, and it made me drawn towards this program as well. A couple of weeks into the first semester, I got an opportunity to work at Williams-Sonoma, and it's a furniture manufacturing company, and I was working with research and development, and they used AutoCAD, they used SolidWorks, which are the two main softwares that I'm learning here, and I was doing a lot of projects at work that helped me with what I was learning in school and vice versa. Northeast, they do a great job at helping their students and being involved with their student body and making it personal and not just seeing us as a number. And that's what I love about Northeast. That's what drew me here when I toured, is that they're very concerned about their students. One thing I would tell a student is if you want to be successful, if you want to be in an environment where you have help all around you if you need it, drafting is where you need to be, because the people here in this building, not just Mr. Melson, he's a very big influence and a big help to us students, but people throughout, the other instructors here, the tech programs are very good at being involved with their students and making them successful and putting them in the workforce, getting them experienced, having life conversations about not just school, but anything they're concerned with at all. If that's the kind of environment you like, you should come to drafting.